We have just 3 days left or the next week for a dividends date for cryptid. What we should expect? We have a massive institution buying. One of them is Morgan Stanley, reported 41.18 increase in ownership of Bbig for the 13th of May last week. And we have this disclosed ownership of 322,000 shares of Bbig, which total holding valued of $1 million as March 31. Have 3 positions open from other institution buying Bbig. This was around the 13th of May, and you look with me here, 38,000 of share bought, and again here 1,500 shares, then 68,700 share from this institution. And again, if we go for the technical, just very quick, we see that the price is still holding our ascending line that we talked about last time on May 10th. What we said last time, we need to hold this ascending line to have the price accumulate and confirmation for overcoming the $3.80, which will be the explosion phase for Bbig. The other thing, this is just the confirmation that the filing was sent to the SEC has confirmed date involved. We're waiting on the actual confirmation report from the SEC, and you can look with me here. This is just the confirmation. It's been sent to the SEC. You can look with me here. Everything, the data here you can see, and right now just waiting for the real date or confirmation report from the SEC. So after this big buying pressure from institution, what we should expect by Monday, and again, the most important thing to confirm this buying pressure from institution by Monday, we need still holding this ascending line. And again, the best signal, pre-signaling, is overcoming this MA here. This will be around this technical area. So by Monday or the next week, even before the filing or before the dividend date, we have to overcome this exponential average around, give or take, the $3.50 before even we go to the squeeze area around the $3.80. So this will be a kind of pre-signaling for Bbig actually going for the squeeze around the $3.80, because we have the AMA that's been tested so many times before around the 17th of February and again around the 1st of April and again around the 11th of May. Every time we test this exponential average, we get a lot of selling pressure. And right now, after the massive buying pressure in this month from the institution, as we saw here, we have some open position. As we said before earlier, we have to have a buying pressure by the next week and confirm that, as we said, overcoming to the $3.50. And the most signal, the second signal is the $3.80. Then we're gonna have the $5.37. And if we go to the SPY to see the market was happening, last time we did the live streaming Friday, we talked about the 404, which is the resistance for next week. If the SPY get rejected here, we're gonna have a volatility for the market to continue to go down. Just be careful. So last week we just tested the $4.03 and went down. So but by the next week we're gonna a massive test for the SPY and the whole market to confirm a continuation for the bull run that we have at the end of last week. If we go to our undervalued stock and we go to Apple bought back around the 137 and it was a really nice buying pressure. However, right now we have a resistance for Apple. We'll confirm if the selling pressure will continue for Apple or not around the 155. However, and still right now the 137 is the support for Apple. And again, even for Upstart have a bit buying pressure, however a resistance around the 44. Nvidia as well, a really strong resistance around the 177. will be a turning point. You see, as Nvidia, we have a resistance with this buy. As we said, for the Apple, we have a nice dip loaded up here on 137, and you can load up as well if you join with my link in comment section below to get free Apple share. 13 hours left to get your free share of Apple, and again you have the opportunity to get 5 free stock as well. Join with my exclusive link in the comment section below and get your free Apple share. Hopefully that's what our format is. We're gonna do updates daily about BBIG, so hit the notification so you never miss any of my future updates for BBIG, of course, whole market and crypto. So without further ado, hopefully have a nice weekend and see you in the next update.